Hi, I'm Dan Swenson at Dogma Athletica. Here we're about purpose-driven fitness. Purposeful in being mindful about the approach that we take to physical fitness, but also mindful about the approach that we take to helping our clients realize psychological, emotional, and mental fitness as well. When you come into Dogma Athletica, we help you to find center so that your physical practices that you engage in here can be played forward in your day-to-day life. At Dogma Athletica, we provide individual personal training services. We provide group fitness classes. We also provide endurance coaching services along with physical assessments. So please stop in and visit us, see the gym, have a conversation with us about the fitness journey that you're on so we can see how we can help you. We're at Dogma Athletica on the Riverwalk in Edwards, Colorado, right down the steps from Remix Consignment. Thanks.